Looking to decorate your home without the hassle of holes or sticky residue? The Command Hanger strips are your perfect solution. These damage-free, easy-to-use strips require no tools and can hold up to 3.5 kilograms per pair. They're versatile and work on painted walls, tiles, glass and more. When you're ready to change your decor, simply remove them without any mess or damage. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to decorate your home without the hassle and damage? Command picture hanging strips are the perfect solution. These damage-free, easy-to-use strips allow you to hang picture frames, mirrors and wall art without nails or screws. They grip securely on a variety of indoor surfaces and come off cleanly without residue. Plus, they're strong, versatile and eco-friendly. Whether you're decorating living room or bedroom, enjoy hassle-free decorating with Command strips. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a simple way to hang your favorite items without damaging your walls? The Command hooks are perfect. These clear, discreet hooks hold up to 225 grams and are easy to apply without nails, screws or drills. They remove cleanly without leaving marks or residue, making them ideal for painted walls, tiles, metal and wood. With 6 hooks and 8 small strips in each pack, decorating has never been easier. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a damage-free way to decorate your home? The Command picture hanger is your perfect solution. No tools or nails needed. Just peel, stick and hang your favorite frames, mirrors or artwork easily and securely. When you're ready to change things up, removal is mess-free and simple, leaving no residue or holes behind. With strong hold on various indoor surfaces, it's versatile and reliable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to brighten up your walls? Discover the Desconocida picture hooks, including 60 assorted sizes, perfect for everything from lightweight photo frames to medium-weight decorations. These hooks work on hard walls, plasterboard and brick, offering quick, damage-free installation with sturdy nails that hold tightly. Easy to remove without leaving a mess, they're ideal for photos, clocks, keys and more. Transform your space effortlessly with these reliable multi-purpose hooks. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a simple way to hang your favorite pictures, banks or decorations without damaging your walls? Try Command jumbo hooks. These durable, damage-free hooks are perfect for home or office use, offering a strong hold that keeps your space tidy and organized. They're easy to apply and remove without leaving marks. They are a versatile solution for all your hanging needs. Transform your space effortlessly with Command jumbo hooks today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to display your cherished plates with style and ease? Winsome plate hangers offer a secure, invisible way to showcase your decor without damaging walls or plates. With their strong self-adhesive design, these hangers firmly hold a variety of plates from small collectibles to larger heirlooms. Easy to apply and remove, they create a sleek modern look perfect for kitchens, dining rooms or gallery walls. Elevate your space effortlessly with Winsome plate hangers. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.